Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Tuesday, October 13th, 2020. It's 6:39 a.m. here in the Arizona desert. Looking at Coin 360, we can see it's a mix of red and green in the market. Bitcoin down 1.6% pretty much, although XRP up 0.03%. Cardano rocking recently up 3.32%. So a mix of green and red in the market, but overall, Bitcoin, after dumping 1.6% last 24 hours, it's definitely dragging the market with it. Volume last 24 hours, 1.2 billion, not bad at all. Top three exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Looking at shorts versus longs, on Binance, we got 39% longs, 60% shorts. So we are starting this Tuesday morning with a short sentiment. Looking at the S&P 500 and the Russell 2000, both are, well, the Russell 2000 has a, down here below, starting the day with a red candle. The S&P 500 starting the day with a green candle, but they're kind of starting sideways. So let's look here at the SPX. And you can see that it's starting the day initially on the way down. And we can also see here the Russell 2000. It's starting the day dumping a bit. So, overall, you've got these beautiful daily uptrends. Today might be a sideways or a negative day. We'll see. The day is still young, but they're not opening strong, put it that way. But what is opening strong is the dollar strength index. Boom, look at that thing. It's about to pump right back into that channel that it was making on the daily. And of course, what is that doing to the crypto market? Well, as you can see, Bitcoin's dumping. So let's check this out. If we look at recent powerful MACD crosses here on the daily, I know MACD is an older indicator. Some people make fun of it, but when it comes to the daily chart, it was really effective in seeing what Bitcoin is doing. So looking at previous MACD crosses that were positive, we got one that was up to 70%, one that was up to 30%. And now, of course, we're just now making a new one that looks good and strong, looks nice. We're above the midpoint, getting a beautiful wide histogram. The MACD, the blue line, is moving away from that signal line, the red line. This looks like a nice cross. If that continues, and we just look at this upwards channel that we've been on in the daily, the next bounce could off the ceiling could be 50% gains in like around 48 days. Just looking at what's happened previously. I know the past cannot predict the future, but just something to think about. And overall, on the daily, when we do zoom out, I see a beautiful upwards channel, and this just looks like it makes sense to me. Possibility. Do with it what you will. On the 4-hour chart, you can see a shorter time frame, of course, but we do see an upwards channel. It looks good. Of course, we're dumping a bit this morning. Now the RSI is going to move into oversold pretty darn soon. Directional strength index is looking good. ADX is in a good spot, but overall, we're making a red candle so far this morning. On the 45-minute chart, you can see we've been ranging between 11,100 and 11,400. We broke through yesterday. That's looking good, very, very powerful. But of course, we're dumping back into that channel that we've been ranging in. So we'll see what happens. It's all about what this dollar strength index does today. All about what how the S&P 500 and the Russell 2000 do. Day is still young, but we're starting with a red candle, starting with a bit of a red market. But what I do notice that I think is kind of interesting is that we do have this beautiful high volume. Over a billion is always good, and we're to 250 million, almost over a billion. So interesting day for Bitcoin to be red. Why is everybody selling? Maybe it's these we definitely have a short sentiment here on Binance. Maybe there's some news that I'm not aware of, but all is looking good. Let's see how this day plays out. If you have any questions about the indicators I use, etc., go to whatisанoperator.com, click on Bitcoin Daily View. All that stuff that I use is there. Take care.